how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today we're cutting this tree and replacing it with another tree. So I hate cutting trees, but of course this one makes a lot of mess. I got leaves all over the place. It's very hard to maintain, and I got permission to cut it as long as I replace it with another tree. It's okay. One of my neighbors is doing the exact same thing. We don't really need approval from the HOA because according to her, she got it done. And those trees we cannot cut because those are the part of the community. So those are on the easement side, but this is on our property. And the main reason for me to cut this tree is not really the maintenance issue, to be honest with you. It's the issue that I'm having with my driveway. That you can see, all the roots are coming all the way here. They're lifting it. Trust me, these are not this tree. They're lifting this. And I already had it fixed one time, but then you can see the roots kind of grow. It's coming from underneath and just lifting this up. So I had a similar issue over here, which I got fixed. I had to take out a big, huge root, from this side. And the main thing that I'm concerned about is my water line, because my water line is going from here, and this thing is going to be a big pain. If my water line bursts, it's going to cost me a lot of money with everything. I tried digging in this area, and those roots are all the way down here, and my electrical, everything is over here. So that's more concerning to me, is the root part, how it's spreading. These trees have very dense roots, and they just keep spreading, and it can cause a lot of damage. So not exactly sure what this tree type is, but again, it could be very dangerous, for me in the long run, and cost me a lot of money too. So the idea is to get this out and put a replacement tree. It looks much nicer. It'll make the house look much nicer, better. And I don't have to worry about the root issue, because I'm planning on putting a palm tree or something like that, like something similar to what my neighbor put. So not this one, but the palm that they have. And I want to do the exact same thing on the other side, because on the other side I have the actual water meter that is very close to that. So anyways, so I'm going to show you, and I want to show you guys the trick to cut it. The main process to cut a tree is, first you want to make sure there's nothing, no cars or nothing, everything is out of the way, everything is away. And once everything is in the clear, you want to make your cuts, and the best way is to find out which angle you want the tree to fall. So once you know where you want the tree to fall, that's how you need to make your, I call it a triangle cut. And this is what my triangle cut is like. So before I was making it over there, but ignore this one. So the triangle cut is basically a straight cut and then a diagonal cut, that goes in and meet up with the other cut, and then that kind of give you a triangle piece, and it gives you like a opening under the tree. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And once you have that opening, then I start cutting from the other end, and the weight of the tree will, as soon as my chainsaw comes up to here, the weight of the tree will make it fall in this direction. So it's going to fall, it's going to tip over on this side, and you can see there's nothing on this side, so it's all clear. And that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to hand the camera to my son. He's going to start recording me from a distance, and then I'll keep cutting. Hey, Zan. So here you can see it's the triangle cut that I was talking about, and this piece came off. So come here, let me show you how it looks from this side. And you can see how you have this area, and now it's all I'm ready to do is just cut it from the other end, and it'll tip off from this side. All right, buddy. just a little bit more and we will be done.
Uh-oh, I have a bad feeling about this. Oh my God. What happened? Look crazy.
There you can see how I control the movement. So this was the cut that I had initially put on. So of course you don't have to exactly go there. You know, this was the surface which eventually gives up with the weight of the tree. But I can see how controlled cut this whole thing was, you know, just with a simple method of triangle cut, you know, and did not even took me much effort, to be honest with you. And now I can just cut it in blocks and get rid of it and grind it and install another tree. So guys, hopefully this video helps you guys cut a tree properly if you're planning on. But if you do cut a tree, make sure you plant another one so we can support the environment, you know. I hate cutting trees, to be honest with you. I was holding off not cutting this for a long time, but when I start seeing some damage, you know, on my property, that's when I decided to get rid of this tree, but eventually plant another tree. So with that, guys, hopefully you like the video. If you like it, guys, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.